Welcome back to Agri Chronicles and to our continuing series on beneficial insects. We've covered hunters, pollinators, recyclers, and soil engineers, but today we're going smaller, much smaller. So small, in fact, that you could miss them with the naked eye. Meet the springtail, tiny arthropods that live in the soil, leaf litter, and even compost. They don't sting, they don't bite, and they don't damage crops. Instead, they quietly feed the soil and support the foundation of agriculture. Springtails are not actually insects but hexapods, close relatives. They get their name from a unique forked tail-like structure called the furcula. When threatened, they snap this furcula against the ground, catapulting themselves into the air like a spring-loaded toy. Though only about 1 to 2 millimeters long, springtails are among the most abundant animals on Earth. Some estimates suggest there are 100,000 springtails for every square meter of healthy soil. So what do these tiny creatures do? Decomposers. Springtails feed on fungi, decaying plant matter, bacteria, and algae. By doing so, they speed up the breakdown of organic matter. Soil fertility. Their constant nibbling and digestion release nutrients back into the soil, nutrients that plants can absorb. These recycled nutrients help plants grow stronger and healthier. Fungal balance. They help control harmful fungi by grazing on them, keeping plant roots safe from disease. Soil structure. As they crawl and burrow, they mix soil particles, improving aeration and water movement. That improved structure helps roots breathe and water penetrate more evenly. In short, springtails are like the janitors and chefs of the soil, cleaning up waste while cooking up nutrients for plants. The presence of springtails is actually a sign of soil health. If you see them in your garden, compost, or farm fields, it means your soil is rich in organic matter and alive with microbial activity. Where springtails thrive, you'll usually find better plant growth, healthier roots, and fewer soil-borne problems. Why should we care about springtails? They support crop growth naturally, reducing dependence on chemical fertilizers. That means healthier systems and lower input costs for growers. They help with composting, turning kitchen scraps and organic waste into rich humus faster. That finished compost feeds your garden naturally. They reduce fungal plant diseases, acting as natural biocontrol agents. They boost carbon cycling, storing organic carbon in the soil where it belongs. For small-scale farmers and gardeners, springtails are invisible allies that quietly work every single day. They keep the soil functioning so plants can thrive. Sometimes springtails get a bad reputation. Because they're small and appear in damp areas, they're mistaken for pests. Some homeowners panic when they see them on bathroom walls, potted plants, or greenhouses. But here's the truth: springtails don't damage plants, roots, or humans. They're harmless, just searching for moisture and organic matter to feed on. Like many beneficial organisms, springtails are vulnerable to pesticides that wipe out soil biodiversity. Widespread chemical use can reduce their numbers and harm soil health. They're also harmed by soil degradation from over-farming, deforestation, and erosion. Healthy practices keep springtails and other microfauna thriving. Loss of organic matter in soils treated only with chemicals reduces habitat for springtails. Protecting springtails means protecting the hidden soil ecosystem that sustains agriculture. Springtails remind us that farming and gardening are not just about crops and animals. It's about the hidden web of life beneath our feet. These nearly invisible creatures play a role so essential that without them, soil health and food security would collapse. So the next time you turn over soil or lift a handful of compost and see tiny white specks jumping around, don't brush them off. Those are springtails, the quiet keepers of soil fertility. This has been another episode in the Beneficial Insects series from Agri Chronicles. If you enjoyed discovering these hidden allies of agriculture, hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more. Together, let's farm with knowledge, grow with respect, and honor the smallest heroes of our planet. Thanks for watching Agri Chronicles. See you next time.